Why are there not more people talking about buckwheat? In the world of superfoods, where kale smoothies reign supreme and quinoa bowls flood our Instagram feeds, there exists a hidden gem often overlooked and underappreciated. That hidden gem is buckwheat. This unassuming seed, with its nutty flavor and impressive nutritional profile, deserves a place of honor on our plates and in our pantries. Welcome to the Holistic Wellness Realm channel. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Join us as we delve into the world of buckwheat and discover why it's time to embrace this nutritional powerhouse. Buckwheat, despite its name, is not related to wheat at all. It's a gluten-free seed that's been enjoyed for centuries in various cultures around the world. From hearty Japanese soba noodles to traditional Russian kasha, buckwheat has a rich culinary history and offers a wealth of health benefits. But what makes buckwheat truly special? For starters, it's packed with essential nutrients. Buckwheat is a great source of protein, fiber, and antioxidants. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source, which is rare for plant-based foods. Additionally, it's rich in minerals like magnesium, copper, and manganese, which are vital for maintaining good health. Beyond its nutritional content, buckwheat is also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can use it in a variety of dishes, from breakfast porridge to savory salads, and even as a flour substitute in baking. Its unique texture and flavor can elevate any meal, making it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Moreover, buckwheat is environmentally friendly. It's a hardy crop that grows well in poor soil conditions and doesn't require chemical fertilizers or pesticides. This makes it a sustainable choice for those looking to reduce their environmental footprint. As more people become aware of the benefits of buckwheat, it's starting to gain the recognition it deserves. Whether you're looking to improve your diet, explore new culinary horizons, or make more sustainable food choices, buckwheat is a fantastic option. So next time you're at the grocery store, consider picking up some buckwheat. Experiment with it in your favorite recipes and discover the many ways this humble seed can enhance your meals. From hearty Japanese soba noodles to traditional Russian kasha, buckwheat has a rich culinary history and offers a wealth of health benefits. In this exploration of buckwheat's remarkable qualities, we'll uncover why it deserves recognition as a top-tier superfood, surpassing even the likes of kale in its nutritional prowess. So let's celebrate buckwheat, the unsung hero of the superfood world, and give it the spotlight it truly deserves. With its impressive nutritional profile, versatility in the kitchen, and environmental benefits, buckwheat is a superfood that stands out from the rest. It's time to embrace this remarkable seed and make it a staple in our diets. Buckwheat's nutritional profile reads like a laundry list of health-boosting properties. This unassuming seed is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need but cannot produce on their own. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to increase their plant-based protein intake. But buckwheat's benefits don't stop there. It's also a good source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which are essential for digestive health, blood sugar control, and maintaining a healthy weight. Buckwheat is also rich in various vitamins and minerals, including manganese, copper, magnesium, phosphorus, and iron, all of which play vital roles in maintaining optimal health and well-being. One of the most common misconceptions about buckwheat is that it's a grain. This is a common mistake, likely due to its name and its frequent use in dishes that typically feature grains. However, buckwheat is quite unique and stands apart from true grains in several significant ways. This is understandable, given its name and its common use in grain-based dishes. Many people assume that because it can be used similarly to grains like rice or oats, it must be a grain itself. But this is not the case. However, buckwheat is not a member of the grass family like wheat, barley, and rye. These true grains are all part of the Poaceae family, which is characterized by their grass-like plants and seeds. Instead, buckwheat belongs to the Polygonacea family, which includes plants like rhubarb and sorrel. This botanical difference is what makes buckwheat a suitable alternative for those following a gluten-free diet. Unlike true grains, buckwheat does not contain gluten, the protein that can cause adverse reactions in people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. This distinction is crucial for individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, who often have to restrict their diets to avoid the protein found in wheat and other grains. For these individuals, consuming even small amounts of gluten can lead to serious health issues, making it essential to find safe and nutritious alternatives. Buckwheat offers a nutritious and delicious alternative that can be enjoyed without worry. It is rich in essential nutrients such as fiber, protein, and various vitamins and minerals, making it a healthy addition to any diet. Its versatility in the kitchen allows it to be incorporated into a wide range of dishes, from savory pancakes and hearty porridges. Whether you're making breakfast, lunch, or dinner, buckwheat can be a star ingredient to flavorful salads and even desserts. Its unique flavor and texture can enhance both sweet and savory recipes, making it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. So next time you're looking for a gluten-free option, consider buckwheat for its health benefits and culinary versatility. In the realm of holistic wellness, where we strive for balance and harmony in all aspects of our lives, buckwheat emerges as a true champion. Its nutritional density and versatility make it an ideal food for nourishing our bodies from the inside out. Incorporating buckwheat into our diets can be seen as a way to reconnect with nature's bounty and embrace a more mindful approach to eating. By choosing whole, unprocessed foods like buckwheat, we provide our bodies with the nutrients they need to thrive. If you enjoy this content, smash that subscribe button so you do not miss out on new videos. The protein powerhouse, fueling your body with plant-based goodness. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a vital role in building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and maintaining a healthy immune system. While meat, poultry, and dairy products are often touted as the best sources of protein, buckwheat stands out as a plant-based powerhouse that can rival even animal-based sources in terms of its protein content and quality. A 100-gram serving of cooked buckwheat provides approximately 3.4 grams of protein, making it a valuable addition to vegetarian, vegan, and omnivorous diets alike. Furthermore, buckwheat contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein, which is rare to find in plant-based foods. A fiber-rich and gut-friendly, promoting digestive harmony. Fiber is an often overlooked but essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. It is found in a variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Despite its importance, many people do not get enough fiber in their daily diet, which can lead to digestive issues and other health problems. Buckwheat is an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, both of which are important for optimal gut health. Soluble fiber found in foods like buckwheat, oats, and beans dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in the gut. This helps to slow down digestion, allowing for better absorption of nutrients and promoting a feeling of fullness. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in the gut, which helps to slow down digestion and promote regularity. This type of fiber can also help to lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for heart health and diabetes management. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to stool and helps to move food through the digestive tract, preventing constipation. This type of fiber is found in foods like whole grains, nuts, and vegetables. By adding bulk to the stool, insoluble fiber helps to keep the digestive system clean and functioning properly. A diet rich in fiber, like one that includes buckwheat, has been linked to a reduced risk of various health conditions, including heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Incorporating more high-fiber foods into your diet can improve overall health and well-being, making it an essential component of a balanced diet. A culinary chameleon. From breakfast to dinner and beyond, one of the most appealing aspects of buckwheat is its versatility in the kitchen. Its mild, nutty flavor lends itself well to a wide range of dishes, from savory breakfasts to hearty dinners and everything in between. For a warm and comforting breakfast, try a bowl of creamy buckwheat porridge topped with fresh fruit, nuts, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Buckwheat flour can be used to make delicious pancakes, waffles, and crepes that are both gluten-free and packed with nutrients. Scientific breakthroughs, unveiling the remarkable health benefits. In recent years, scientific research has begun to shed light on the impressive health benefits of buckwheat. Studies have shown that regular consumption of buckwheat may help to lower cholesterol levels, improve blood sugar control, reduce the risk of heart disease, and even protect against certain types of cancer. One study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that buckwheat protein was effective in lowering cholesterol levels in rats with high cholesterol. Another study published in the European Journal of Nutrition found that consuming buckwheat led to significant improvements in blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. Embrace the buckwheat revolution. As we've explored in this journey through the world of buckwheat, this unassuming seed is a true nutritional powerhouse. From its impressive protein content and fiber richness to its versatility in the kitchen and its scientifically backed health benefits, buckwheat deserves a place of honor in our diets. We encourage you to embrace the buckwheat revolution and experience the transformative power of this ancient grain. Incorporate it into your breakfast routine, experiment with it in savory dishes, and discover the endless possibilities that buckwheat has to offer. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.